Hello, our beautiful viewers, subscribers and fans. You're all welcome to our wonderful channel. Now we will be sharing easy and simple ways to make macaroni cheese from scratch at the comfort of your kitchen, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Introduction. Macaroni and cheese, the quintessential comfort food, has been a staple in households for generations. While the boxed versions are convenient, nothing compares to the creamy, homemade goodness of mac and cheese prepared from scratch. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 5 distinct methods to create this beloved dish right in the comfort of your own kitchen. From classic renditions to innovative twists, get ready to elevate your mac and cheese game to new heights. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Recipe 1. Classic baked macaroni and cheese ingredients. 1. Elbow macaroni. 2. Butter. 3. All-purpose flour or milk. 5. Cheddar cheese. 6. Salt and pepper. 8. Breadcrumbs, optional. Method 1. Cook the elbow macaroni according to package instructions until al dente. 1. Drain and set aside. 2. In a saucepan, melt butter over medium heat. 2. Add flour and whisk continuously until the mixture becomes smooth and golden brown. 3. Gradually pour in milk while whisking constantly to avoid lumps. 3. Cook until the mixture thickens to a creamy consistency. 4. Stir in shredded cheddar cheese until fully melted and incorporated. 4. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 5. Combine the cooked macaroni with the cheese sauce, ensuring all the pasta is evenly coated. 6. Transfer the mixture to a greased baking dish. 6. Sprinkle breadcrumbs on top for an extra crunch if desired. And bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees, 175 degrees C for 25-30 minutes or until bubbly and golden brown on top. 8. Let it cool slightly before serving. 8. Enjoy the creamy goodness of classic baked macaroni and cheese. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Recipe 2. Creamy stovetop macaroni and cheese ingredients. 1. Elbow macaroni. 2. Butter. 3. All-purpose flour. 4. Milk. 5. Cheddar cheese. 6. Gouda cheese. 7. Salt. 8. Pepper. 9. Paprika, optional. 10. Fresh parsley, optional. Method 1. Cook the elbow macaroni in a pot of salted boiling water until tender. 1. Drain and set aside. 2. In the same pot, melt butter over medium heat. 2. Add flour and whisk until smooth to create a roux. 3. Gradually pour in milk, whisking constantly until the sauce thickens. 4. Add shredded cheddar and Gouda cheese to the sauce, stirring until melted and creamy. 5. Season with salt, pepper and paprika for added flavor. 6. Add the cooked macaroni to the cheese sauce, stirring until well combined. 7. Cook for an additional 2-3 minutes until the sauce coats the pasta evenly. 8. Garnish with fresh parsley before serving. 8. Delight in the rich and creamy stovetop macaroni and cheese. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Recipe 3. Baked macaroni and cheese with bacon ingredients. 1. Elbow macaroni. 2. Butter. 3. All-purpose flour. 4. Milk. 5. Cheddar cheese. 6. Mozzarella cheese. 7. Bacon slices. 8. Salty. 9. Pepper. 10. Garlic powder. 11. Onion powder. 12. Green onions, optional. Method 1. Cook the elbow macaroni according to package instructions. 1. Drain and set aside. 2. In a saucepan, melt butter over medium heat. 2. Add flour and whisk until golden brown. 3. Gradually pour in milk, whisking constantly until the sauce thickens. 4. Stir in shredded cheddar and mozzarella cheese until melted and smooth. 5. Season the cheese sauce with salt, pepper, garlic powder and onion powder to taste. 6. Cook bacon until crispy, then chop into small pieces. 7. Combine the cooked macaroni, cheese sauce and chopped bacon in a baking dish, mixing well. 8. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees 190 degrees C for 20-25 minutes or until bubbly and golden brown on top. 9. Garnish with sliced green onions for a pop of color and flavor. 9. Indulge in the irresistible combination of baked 10. Macaroni and cheese with bacon. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Recipe 4. Spicy jalapeno macaroni and cheese ingredients. Elbow macaroni. 2. Butter. 3. All-purpose flour. 4. Milk. 5. Cheddar cheese. 6. Pepper jack cheese and jalapenos, fresh or pickled. 8. Salt. 9. Pepper. 10. Cayenne pepper. 11. Cilantro, optional. Method 1. Cook the elbow macaroni until al dente. 1. Drain and set aside. 2. In a saucepan, melt butter over medium heat. 2. Add flour and whisk until golden brown. 3. Gradually pour in milk, whisking constantly until the sauce thickens. Stir in shredded cheddar and pepper jack cheese until melted and smooth. 5. Dice jalapenos and add them to the cheese sauce, adjusting the amount according to your desired level of spiciness. 6. Season the sauce with salt, pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for extra heat. 7. Combine the cooked macaroni with the spicy cheese sauce, mixing until well incorporated. 8. Garnish with fresh cilantro for a burst of freshness and color. 8. Enjoy the fiery kick of spicy jalapeno macaroni and cheese. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Recipe 5. Gourmet lobster macaroni and cheese ingredients. 1. Elbow macaroni. 2. Butter. 3. All-purpose flour. 4. Milk. Femme Gruyere cheese. 6. White cheddar cheese. 7. Lobster meat. 8. Shallots. 9. Garlic. 10. White wine. 11. Nutmeg. 12. Salt. 13. Pepper. 14. Fresh parsley. Method 1. Cook the elbow macaroni until just shy of al dente. 1. Drain and set aside. 2. In a saucepan, melt butter over medium heat. 2. Add finely chopped shallots and minced garlic, sautéing until softened. 3. Sprinkle flour over the mixture and cook, stirring constantly until golden brown. 4. Deglaze the pan with white wine, scraping up any browned bits from the bottom. 5. Gradually pour in milk, whisking constantly until the sauce thickens. 6. Add shredded Gruyere and white cheddar cheese to the sauce, stirring until melted and smooth. 7. Gently fold in chunks of lobster meat, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the sauce. 8. Season the sauce with a pinch of nutmeg, salt and pepper to taste. Add the cooked macaroni to the lobster cheese sauce, stirring until well combined. 10. Transfer the mixture to a baking dish and bake in a preheated oven at 375°C 190°C for 20-25 minutes or until bubbly and golden brown on top. 11. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley before serving. Treat yourself to the luxurious indulgence of gourmet lobster macaroni and cheese. In essence, whether you crave the classic comfort of baked macaroni and cheese or desire to spice things up with jalapenos or lobster, these 5 recipes offer something for every palate. With a few simple ingredients and a little creativity, you can whip up a delicious homemade version of this beloved dish that will leave your taste buds singing. So, gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and get ready to savor the cheesy goodness of homemade macaroni and cheese like never before. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe, as subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.